Hi there. My name is Matthew and I work in the customer success team at 500 Apps. What is 500 Apps? 500 Apps is the world's first all-in-one suite trusted by more than 30,000 businesses. On average, small-medium businesses use about 27 apps. With 500 Apps, you will use only one app for your entire organization. You get all 30-plus apps at an unbelievable value, which is $14.99 per user per month. You get access to unlimited features, 24/5 phone support, email support, and chat support, plus 99.95% uptime guarantee. I will today introduce you to BotUp. All-in-one bot for WhatsApp, website, SMS, Facebook, and Instagram. What is BotUp? Businesses are finally catching up to the idea that chatbots are the future of customer service. BotUp's AI-powered chatbot software can be used for sales, marketing, content generation, and more. Automate customer service for your business on Facebook, WhatsApp, SMS, and website. BotUp is the fastest way to build chatbots for WhatsApp, website, SMS, Facebook, and Instagram. Our visual builder lets you create flows with no coding required. It's simple to use and our custom templates make it easier than ever. Without a delay, let's get started. Navigate to the Support tab and click on BotUp. Click on Add Project to get started. Give your project a name and click Save. By default you will be navigated to the Dashboard tab. Click on Networks to first configure your network service provider. You can integrate your chatbot with platforms such as Twilio, Slack or Facebook pages to automate your daily tasks and let the bot do the work for you. If you would like to add any images, documents and media for your chatbot, click on Documents to upload the media from local or cloud. For example, you can upload your company privacy policy documents to be viewed and accessed by the users. These documents that are uploaded can also be used in the flows in BotUp. Now let's start building the flows. Click on Flow tab to create your bot flow. Click Add Flow button in the middle or click on the plus sign to the bottom right to create your workflow. You can select from more than 20 pre-built templates or create one for yourself. To create your own flow, click Custom on the top right. In the Visual Builder, there is a list of all powerful nodes. Begin from selecting the desired nodes. You can drag and drop them into the designer or simply click on the node. Let me now walk you through the nodes that we have for you to equip your business with world-class chatbot software. ZapUp Step. ZapUp is another powerful app that we have built and is included in the subscription. You can find ZapUp under the productivity category. Using this node you can set up triggers in the call flow. Like connect with Gmail and trigger an email, connect with a project management software and add a task, connect with LinkedIn and share an update and much more. Message node. Click on the message node and enter the message to display when the user starts interacting. This node enables you to define what should display as the welcome message or any instructions when the user starts interacting. Get input node. Click on the Get Input node to ask users a question or request for additional information. We can use it to get any input from the user like customer phone number, email ID or zip code. Get Name node. Click on the Get Name node to ask the name of the users. Get Phone Number node. Click on the Get Phone Number node to ask for the phone number of the users. Get Email node. Click on the Get Email node to ask for the email address of the users. MQ node. Click on the MQ node to ask your users to select from a list of choices available. For example, what would you like to do? Option 1, learn about products. Option 2, learn about pricing. Option 3, get educational content. REST node. Click on REST node to connect to a third-party application to push or get data. For X, you can display the live NASDAQ composite data in your chatbot by copying and pasting the URL in the node. JS node. Click on JS node to execute a code. Using this node, you can connect and transfer the chats to Ninja Chat. Another powerful app by 500 Apps to engage with customers and much more. Image MQ node. Click on Image with MQ node to insert images with questions for your customers to choose from. Video node. Click on Video node to insert the cloud video URL. Using this node you can insert videos in the chatbot for the users to view. Redirect URL node. At a point in the flow, if you wish to point the customer to a support page or info page etc. You can use this node to achieve that. Delay node. Using this node you can add a wait time between messages in your flow. Teams node. Teams.cc is a full-featured collaboration tool by 500 Apps which is included in the subscription. Using this node you can send a message to a channel or a team member instantly. Personalized.cc node, as mentioned. 500 apps is a fully loaded business app suite. You get more than you can ask for. Using personalized.cc you can send users a personalized image. Schedule.cc node. Schedule.cc is another productivity tool in the 500 app suite. Click on schedule.cc to send the event booking link to users in the chatbot. Transfer node. Click on transfer node to execute a flow. Using this node we can execute multiple flows in the chatbot. For X, you can execute the customer support call flow and the loan application call flow. Click to call node. Click on click to call node to execute a call flow from our PSPLIS application. PSPLIS is a virtual PBX collaboration software of 500 app suite. X, you can connect your user to your phone IVR customer support system. Send notifications. Click on Send Notification node to send notifications to the users. For X, you can send notifications to customer support agents when a user is interacting with the chatbot. Now let's call this homepage test as the flow name. In the Visual Builder, there is a list of all powerful nodes. You can begin from selecting the desired nodes. You can either drag and drop them into the builder or simply click on the node. When you are done creating flows, click on Save to save the flow. In the Flows tab, you can see that the custom flow has been successfully created. You can click on the clone icon to create a copy of the flow you have created. Click on Share icon to copy and share the script to configure the chatbot on the website. In the Slide Out menu, click on the Copy icon to copy the script code to the clipboard, or you can share the script code via email by entering the email address and click on Send. To get instructions on where to embed the script code in the website, you can check the instructions in the Slide Out. You can search your flows by name using the search function. To edit or make any changes to the current flow, click on the Edit icon to make changes to the flows. Click on the Grid View icon to display the flows in the card view. Click on the List View icon to display the flows in the columns. Now let's start building the bots. Click on Bots tab to set up and manage your bots. Please remember you have to create a flow and integrate your service provider with BotUp first, then only you will be able to create a chatbot. Add Bot button in the middle or click on the plus sign to the bottom right. Select the flow from the drop-down to assign the workflow to the chatbot. Here I have selected this e-commerce flow. And select the network provider you want to configure your chatbot with from the drop-down. Select the phone number from the drop-down to configure with the chatbot. Select the mode from the drop-down in which the chatbot should appear. Click on Save to create the chatbot. Click on the copy icon in the end, copy the bot URL in the Twilio app. Now to view the details of the contacts who have interacted with the chatbot. Navigate to Contacts and you can view the contact details of every contact. You can view the name, email, phone number, source and city from which the contact originated. You can get in touch with the contact by clicking on the dialer icon. Let's get started with the chatbot widget customization. Now you can customize your chatbot widgets. Click on gear icon and select widget settings. Now we can preview and customize the chatbot. Click on Save after you customize the app. Now I will show you how to connect your chatbot with external apps using Webhooks to enhance the experience of using this enterprise-grade chatbot. Click on gear icon and select Webhooks. Add the trigger URL to the new contact trigger field and click on Save. Add the new chat webhook URL to the field and click on Save. These triggers can come really handy for any business. That's all about BotUp. Thank you very much for watching the video.